All right, John, thank you. Deciding where, how, and how much we should be allowed to use the Red River Gorge is a big challenge. So now the U.S. Forest Service is asking for your help to try to come up with a solution.
In a special report earlier this month, News Channel 36 reporter Greg Stilemeyer asked the question, is the Red River Gorge being loved to death? He's back tonight with a follow-up.
Well, there's no simple answer, but we got a lot of qualified yeses when we asked the question. Bottom line, the spectacular wilderness is feeling the pressures of man's use.
This is so steep here. When you get heavy rains, you start having soil wash away.
A forester takes us up a wildcat trail cut over time by people heading to this rock shelter. Just one of hundreds of examples of how man is marring nature in the gorge.
Here's the problem and help us find a solution. So that's a huge part of it, is education.
Many rock shelters. What's happening in this basement meeting room a good hour from the gorge is a start. The U.S. Forest Service is asking the public to help it decide what recreational limits there should be in the gorge.
And in some cases, we may be past that point already. In other places, maybe not.
The response is varied. For instance, Clara Whelan loves to hike in the gorge.
We could actually kill it by what we're trying to do, and we're all part of the problem.
Footsteps on the ground and up magnificent sandstone as native plant lovers fear losing two endangered plants found only here.
People need to be educated and aware that such things exist for starters.
Then there's camping, as many as 1,000 campsites, many trampled and trashed.
Hey, Lexington, where are you at?
And then there's party campers.
I was just amazed at the amount of people coming out there to camp. You know, it just seemed more than what the area would be capable of handling.
I think that'll be one area that's looked at very hard.
The Forest Service calls this process limits of acceptable change. Today's meetings in Lexington finished off a series of informational meetings, the first step in what is a lengthy 9-step process. In the end, new standards will be set for using the Red River Gorge. Back to you.